everyone. Hope everyone's safe and secure because of in this pandemic situation. Let me introduce myself. I am V Balaji. I have completed BE. I have basics skill knowledge. So I want to improve my skill. So I choose to Besant Technology at Thiruvanmiyur branch. Mr. Muthukumar is one of good knowledgeable person to guiding me. I have taken Python course. So my coordinator, Mr. M. Lashmidharan sir, his teaching method is different because of his teaching with real-time example. So I can easily cover all the topic and I can clearly understand. So I selected in IT sector in full stack developer. So thanks to both. Thank you, sir.